What are the disadvantages of a miter joint, and why do so many woodworkers still make costly mistakes with it? This is one of the most common questions beginners ask when their perfectly angled corners suddenly start opening up or failing over time. What are the disadvantages of a miter joint becomes very clear once you understand that despite its clean and professional look, this joint is actually one of the weakest in woodworking if it isn't reinforced properly. For a deeper explanation of joint strength and smart woodworking techniques, watch my video 16,000 Projects, One Click. You'll learn the essentials and get instant access to 16,000 woodworking projects. Link in the description below. A miter joint relies mostly on glue rather than strong wood-to-wood grain contact, which means it can easily crack, shift, or separate under pressure, temperature changes, or long-term use. One major mistake people make is assuming the joint is strong enough on its own, when in reality it often needs splines, biscuits, dowels, or mechanical fasteners to survive daily wear and tear. Another costly error is poor angle accuracy, because even a tiny misputt can leave gaps that weaken the bond and ruin the finish. Miter joints are also highly sensitive to wood movement caused by humidity, which can cause the corners to open over time, especially in frames, cabinets, and furniture exposed to changing environments. On top of that, they offer little resistance to pulling forces, making them a risky choice for load-bearing structures unless reinforced. Understanding these disadvantages early can save you time, money, and frustration, and help you decide when a miter joint is the right choice and when a stronger joint will protect your project from failure.